Hello, sewing people of the internet. So this is not a video I was planning on making, but after using my wife's brother domestic modern sewing machine, I've decided to switch from using old industrial machines and vintage domestic machines and switch to a plastic. No, I'm kidding. In all seriousness, my dentist actually owns this particular machine, and she is interested in making some masks that we all need to be wearing now, and has been having some problems with this machine, so she asked me to take a look at it. I am not a sewing machine mechanic, and it's possible that the only thing you're going to see in this video is me making mistakes or messing things up worse than they are, so do what I do at your own risk. But I thought it might be interesting to see if I can figure out what's wrong with the machine and make it work. Let's see. So the problem she described was that the thread was gathering up in the bottom, entangling somewhere around the bobbin case. So I don't think that's supposed to be like that. That might be the problem right there. She's got the thread coming through the hole in the bobbin. That's usually how you run the thread through to wind it, but it shouldn't be coming through the bobbin. Well, just for laughs, I'm going to see if that fixed it, because that could very well be the problem. That doesn't sound good. Okay. So there's no tension on the top. Oh, Jesus. Probably should have checked to see how it was threaded first, huh? Seems like a really big needle. Alright, let's try that again. Seems to be working just fine now. Tension was a little off on the top. It was actually set lower than I probably would have started out with anyway, but let's see. So that was actually really simple. I kind of suspected that there wasn't anything actually wrong, especially when someone is a novice to sewing. Probably the quickest thing to do to check any problems that are being experienced is to check and make sure that the machine is threaded properly and that the bobbin is inserted correctly. I was assuming it was going to be something involving how the bobbin was wound or inserted or something, but just turned out that they have the thread going through the hole that's meant to secure the thread in the bobbin when you start to wind it. That's why that hole's there. So I think this machine, albeit a plastic modern machine is ready to go back to my dentist, and hopefully she'll remember this the next time I need some work done. I hope you found this useful in some way. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments section below. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to see other sewing stuff and other things I like to do. If you like what I do, you can support me by buying merchandise from my Teespring store. You can find a link in the description, and you should see some products listed below this video. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.